down, shorty, I need to tell this to you.
Hey there, welcome back. My name is Mariela, for those who forgot about me. I am so sorry. I know I did not post a video last week. In my defense, one, I posted it on my Instagram, which I post like every update from this channel, so if you're not following, make sure you do. And two, I am on my last week of school, guys. I am graduating from university literally like this month, and that is a huge accomplishment. School has always been my #1 priority, so obviously I had to take that more seriously. But once I'm done school, you know, I'm all ears. After, I will be posting videos weekly with no missing videos anymore, and I might even post 2 videos a week, but we'll talk about that later. This video is about me renovating completely my patio slash balcony. Some people call it patio, some people call it balcony. Let me know what you call it in the comments down below. And well, let's get to this video. First, I started with a balcony that looks like it came from one of the Saw movies. Not that I watch any of them. Then I proceeded to start cleaning the area where I was going to put everything on, and I seemed to clean everything, but I forgot that one bird poo at the front of the camera. Yeah, I know you see it. Then we proceeded to go to Ikea, or the jungle that is Ikea, which I love to go. We are so lost. I don't know where we are. I don't know where we have to go. We were lost, but we found our way, and we found the table. It's been so long since we've been at Ikea that when we found the tiling, it felt like a victory. Then we proceeded to go to the dollar store. You guys already know how it is with me. I love going here. Here we got most of the fencing and the decorations for the outside. The fencing idea came from Milo being too curious and wanted to look outside of the balcony, and him being small enough that he can fall through. So for that, I got a bunch of flowers and started intertwining them, and that's where the inspiration came from. I also got these seat cushions that were so expensive at Ikea but so cheap at the dollar store, so yeah. Then we proceeded to put it all together, and this is just a little montage of me and John's butts pretty much doing the whole thing. Since we moved in last year, I've been eyeing the patio, but last year we moved at the end of the summer, so obviously I wasn't going to waste my money doing it then. Thank God, because this video would have not happened last year. But I did know that I wanted to renew the patio, and so whenever I want to move the house around and like change things around, is that I grab a notepad and I start making designs. I do like a layout of the space that I have, and then start like playing around with like ideas. I did get most of my inspiration from Pinterest. I will be showing you guys, like, these are the things that I got inspired from. I knew that I wanted it to look cozy. I knew that I wanted it to feel homey, but at the same time I wanted it to look like a patio, like a restaurant patio, or like even like a spa patio, somewhere where you can relax, drink, eat, you know what I mean, like enjoy the sunset, have a great summer in. Just because I know most of us have been spending a lot of time at home, it is important to make your home feel like home, not like a space that you are spending a lot of time on and that you're like annoyed of. I know most of us have been feeling a little bit claustrophobic with this pandemic and being on lockdowns every now and then, but guys, it is so important to change your space and make it feel like you. So that's what I did. And now, the moment that you all been waiting for, This is the grand reveal, the before and after. And welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like something that I haven't done before, and I really hope you guys like this makeover videos. I do love changing things around my house, so I can make a lot of these videos if you guys really like them. I will be posting updates on what the patio looks like, because I will be adding more things, more flowers, more decorations, maybe more lighting. You know what I mean. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, guys. Do not forget to follow the Instagram, because there is where I put all my updates. So if I'm missing a video, if the video is gonna be late, if anything is happening, like if I do polls almost like every day. So I really need you guys to give me some feedback on what you want to see, what you want me to do. So if you want me to share my Pinterest album idea, I will be more than happy to share it. So just let me know in the comments down below if you want it. I also linked everything from Ikea down in the comments, so you know what to do with that information. And make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Please, I need your support, because I am going to be here for a long time. We're here for a good time, not a long time, but I'm here for a long time and a good time. So don't forget to do that, and I'll see you guys next week. I hope you guys have the greatest week ever, and I'll see you then.